How to fix Cash App. Sorry, you are unable to sign up at this time. Now, the first thing that I recommend doing is using a laptop or a PC here and just going to Google and searching for Cash App status. Now, you can do this actually on a phone as well, but the next step will require you to have a PC version of Cash App. So here we just want to go to Cash App status and just make sure that everything is working correctly here. If it says working, then you will be able to tell that it's not an issue on Cash App sent. As you can see, currently investing is not working, and it will tell us that issues are detected here. So if everything is set as working, then we can proceed to the next step. And the next step is going to cash.app here. This is the official Cash App website, and we can try to create a account here. So from the website itself. So if we click on login here, then you will be able to see this option, create account. Now, if you have an account, you will obviously use email or phone number to log in here, but we can just click on create account and we can scan this and see if that works for us. So I really hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.